We at Earth Unplugged wanted to give some unsuspecting members of the public a wild encounter they would not forget.
That's amazing.
The team visited the Hive Library and took with them a special guest, a Eurasian eagle owl. With a wingspan of up to 2 metres, the Eurasian eagle owl is one of the largest owls on our planet. And with talons of over 5 centimetres in length, they're able to grip their diverse prey when hunting. But how would the members of the public react when they've got an eagle owl's eye watching them when they're trying to find a new novel to read?
No, it's not real, let's pretend. It's a robot.
Animatronic, right? That? What? That owl?
That is an owl.
It's animatronic. That's amazing.
No, that's a real owl.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Hello. Hello, real owl. My dad told me to go and have a look behind the purple wall, and I saw the owl.
I think we all did a double take, didn't we?
Yeah.
We sort of thought, ooh.
And froze. Strolling through the kids section and there was an owl. We checked to see if it was real.
Is it a real owl? It was a robot.
It's a real owl.
Dad thought it was a robot.
I did. He had one eye closed. He was blinking very rhythmically, and I thought it was an animatronic owl.
And did you think it was real? No, I thought it was a robot.
It's not exactly what you'd expect to see when you're looking for a new book to read. But how did it make some of our guests feel?
I felt very happy when I saw it, like overwhelmed, like happy.
You're a bit incredible, aren't you?
Oh my god, look at the door. You see him?